Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine, yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other bye-bye, yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Gucci, ready for school, Gucci? Gucci, your friends are at school waiting. Gucci, school day? Gucci, Gucci, school? Gucci, you ready for school? No? Your friends are at school, Gucci? Gucci, your friends are at school. Gucci, ready for school? Gucci, school morning? Look at that lip. Your lips. Okay, Bobo, you go school? Gucci tired. You go school, Bobo? No? Why? Your friends are at school. Girlfriend at school. Okay, night for school. It's Sunday. I like when he says it. It's so cute. He doesn't even know what it means. To him, it's just a word. What you doing, Mr. Morning Glory? Let's go fishing. Potato, 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 potato.
Give me that, give me that, give me that food. Banana mash, 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 banana. Whoa.
Yeah, we're gonna go down there. We're at the beach, beach. doing? Come touch the water with Mama. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Okay, bye. I go now. I go fishing. Bye. Sunday vibes. Sunday is family fun day. Look at all these, Island. Island, look. Whoa. Want to touch the water? Water. Come here. Touch water. Come on. Oh, the water's pretty, guys. Whoa! It's cold. My gosh, it is cold. It's so cold. Babe's over there, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get out of this one. Look, pretty girl gone. Pretty girl gone. He's checking out pretty girl. Hey, listen, mommy no girlfriend. Mommy no want you girlfriend. No, Island, no. Just put sand everywhere. Hey? Sorry? Yeah. Oh, it's nice and warm here.
Wait, it's actually gorgeous. Yeah, it's a beautiful day though.
You're gonna go swim there? Go on, you can jump in there. Huh? Are you peeing? Out fishing. Beautiful Sunday.
Several days later.
Though I have to say goodbye, remember me.
They should have a bit of respect. It's not even about that. I had my blinker on, they saw me reversing, but they just been rude. That was rude. I know I should have just gone, and they would have had to pay me because that's just disrespectful what they just did. It's high tide today, babe.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, true. Hopefully the waves aren't big here.
Hi guys. Island. It's cold. Welcome back to the Island family, Island Tribe.
Welcome.
We're here at the beach.
Yeah.
Nice sunny Saturday, enjoying. Babe's getting his fishing rod ready.
You know what I mean?
Yep, ready for fish. We need some good fish. Hey, Uncle Dave. Nice fish. My brother's here with us, guys. And of course, Little Bobo. Little Bobo. drinking. Water, water, water. Sing one.
Alright guys, so it's fishing time. It is fishing time. That's my brother-in-law out there already, guys. So last time I didn't catch anything here, so let's see if today will be different. So let's wait and see now. So I'm going out again, guys. The funny thing is, it's so hard to fish because the wave just keeps on slamming, and if your weight is not too heavy, then it just brings the line right back in. So struggling with that at the moment. The waves are too big, so the current's pushing back the weight inside, you know. So still fighting it. I'm losing all my baits, so obviously there must be something out there that's feeding. So I'm just gonna try. Nothing try, nothing done. Out there. So guys, I finally got a bite. This might mean something. Just got a bite a while ago. Come on, I'm just waiting. Think it just probably steal the bait. Jellyfish.
Oh, yeah, you did too. Mate, don't touch it.
No, I can touch it with your hand, Miguel. This is a jellyfish.
Does it bite you?
Nah.
Yeah, they bite.
It's either they scratch or they sting.
Anything's around, there's stuff out there, huh?
Nothing.
Take it out.
Yeah. I just got like a bite a while ago, and I got another bite out there, but nothing holding on, really.
Wow. They sting. Oh, babe.
Yeah, you can only hold them in your hand middle. If you put them on your skin, then it's either they scratch or they sting.
Can you put on your skin?
Nah. You're gonna have whales on your body and all that. I'm not gonna do that. Nah.